You know, like when John Cross circle over dead meat.
Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me?
Hi everybody, it's Stacy, personally speaking, here in Japan. Meet me by the river someday. People, I had to leave my house and just go for a walk because I have been at home every day, working from home some days and otherwise just home. Man, like, how do people work from home every day? So I just had to drag myself out, and today is Friday. Friday, September 9th. I had a 3-hour online class this morning from 9 to 12 with one student. Yes, one student. It was a struggle today. Yeah, it was just a real struggle with them. Their level is not so great, and so it was really difficult. And on top of that, they were experiencing brain fog because they went to bed so late, and I was just thinking, ignore the helicopter up there. I was just thinking to myself, how can I live in the moment? Live in the moment. So I'm working from home now, but my mind is set on working elsewhere. And I'm not working from home every day. That's the thing. I'm not working from home every day. And then especially, I like to say that my schedule is very bada bada. In Japan, bada bada means bada bada. Yeah, so my schedule is very ad hoc here, there. Why so much helicopter? That's about the third helicopter flying over my head since I've been here. Oh, they're actually circling. And I've only been here for like 2 minutes. Anyway, so yeah, trying to live in the moment. So I'm working from home, but my mind is on not having to work from home, but working somewhere else that I can go on a regular basis. But that's just not my reality. And it hasn't been my reality for the past 2.5 years. But because I have this mindset that, I don't really want to be working from home, doing this freelancing, I work from home today and tomorrow I'm out somewhere teaching somewhere else in person, and then I come back again and I have to teach online in the evenings, and it really just, there's just no pattern. There's no pattern, and I think that is causing me to feel as tired as I have been feeling. Apart from just life and being busy and just trying to keep up with a lot of things. Yep, 3 helicopters. I wonder if I can show you guys. So one is, yeah, see one right there. That's one. And the other 2, that's another one. Where's my finger so you can see? That's another one, which is actually quite close to the second one. I don't know what they're doing, but the 3 of them circling over, like when John Cross circle over dead meat. Yeah, they're literally going around in circles. Let me show you. Where are they? 1, very time, 1, very hard to see because the phone is trying to see. Another one here, 2, 3, 1, 2, and there's another one in front already. Anyway, they might mess up my recording right now and my focus. You see, I'm trying to focus and they're messing with my focus. And they're not going away because they're coming back around again. So it's gonna get noisy again. Anyway, sure. So, a Japanese friend of mine said, even though my mind is on going back to Jamaica, I should try to enjoy my time here in Japan, right? And I totally understand that, and I've been trying to do that. But with this schedule that I have, this kind of work schedule, it's just not working for me. And on top of that, my setup at home is not ideal. So it's not comfortable. And even though I've been doing it for the past 2.5 years, I keep telling myself there's no point in investing in computer table and computer desk because I don't want to be doing this. My apartment is very small. My apartment is very small, and so to add that kind of bulk again, in my mind, yes, it would help my back, my neck, and my overall ability to work. But then it's almost like I'd be conceding also to this work from home, this bala bala schedule, this schedule that's all over the place. Okay, they are finally leaving. Let me show you them. Say bye-bye. What am they? See? You can see the two of them right there. That's two. The next one, catch him up. And there's one more. Ah, there it is. So now you can see 1, 2, 3. See? 3 of them that were circling around like I don't know why. Very, very annoying. Yeah, so live in the moment. So I'm not sure what to do. I have been job hunting. Maybe they are before them. Maybe they're gonna play together. That's nice. Father and son. I have been job hunting, but I've not been finding anything. And I still have to keep working because I have bills and I have a visa to maintain. But on the one hand, I want to enjoy what I am doing while I'm doing it. But on the other hand, I want to be as practical as possible, count the cost kind of thing. So I don't know. Should I just finally get a proper computer desk and chair after 2.5 years of not having a proper computer desk and chair? Because my plan is to leave Japan next year, I don't know if I've spoken about this, but I plan to leave Japan next year. And the last thing I want to be doing is to be getting things. I thought the helicopters were leaving. Them not gone nowhere. Them just make a very big roundabout circling again for come back and make noise on my head. What is this? Anyway, we used to them by now. So I can't even say set a daily schedule if I'm working from home. Say, okay, every day at 1 o'clock, take a walk or something. Because the schedule is just, just up and down. And I don't know, I just feel tired. I feel tired. And I'm sure teaching online for 3 hours can make you feel tired. So I don't know. But I have to make a decision. I need to make a decision. Maybe I need to get up and go back to my yard. Right? Yeah, but I need to make a decision. If I'm going to keep teaching from home some days, because as I said, it's not all the time. But I have 2 jobs. One job, mainly teaching online. Sometimes I go out and teach in person for this job. Then the other job is primarily teaching face-to-face. But when there's a summer break, there's no work, so I don't know. I don't know what. Yeah. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, really. All right, so I'm almost going to be wrapping up here, but I'm concluding that the helicopters are probably doing some training, and they're doing training over an open area. I actually know where one of the Japan's military bases are. Not too far from my house, probably like a 15-minute bicycle ride. 10-15 minute bicycle ride from my house. So maybe they are doing some training. And this is a open area with a river, so there's water. If anything, it's easy to see if there's going to be an accident and people can get out of the way. And like I said, there's water if there's a fire. So that's what I'm thinking is happening. They're doing training, some flight training. But anyway, so living in the moment, counting the cost. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Oh, so people. I just got back to my apartment. This is my apartment building right here. And so the cause for the helicopters circling around is indeed from whatever is burning. And I can actually see it from here. Not so clearly, but right where's that tower? Where's the tower? Right where this tower. There's a tower right here. There's a lot of smoke right here. Maybe if I come out of the picture, yeah, you can see the smoke. Something has been burning. And in fact, I had taken a nap until 3 o'clock. And when I had gotten up, sometime after 3, I had heard sirens, and I thought that I thought it was the police pulling somebody else over like I saw yesterday, but it wasn't. It was actually a fire truck. Hardly, I don't normally see fire trucks, in operation in my area. But it didn't cross my mind. I didn't think anything of it. You know, but the helicopters are still circling. I can actually smell whatever is burning. I don't know what it is, but it's not a good smell. And the wind is actually changing directions, which is not so good. Yeah, so this is a very what can I say? It's not a commercial area; it's a residential area. But how Japan is set up, residential and commercial kind of mix up together. So I really just hope that the houses that are much, much closer are okay. And yeah, just pray for whatever is happening there. Yeah, so that's really why the helicopters have been circling and circling. Yeah, and it is after 5, so at least for the past 2 hours or so, that fire has been going. And another fire truck actually passed me as I was walking home, heading into that area. Yep, keep them in prayers.
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.